Hello, hello, hello. For the continuation of our activity this morning, we are now in the most exciting part, the games. But of course, we put God in everything that we do. We prayed first. So let's watch this. Happy birthday! Alright, so since we're done praying, para hindi magalat ang ating mga players, for the Orient muna si Renz at Henry, our team engagement POC. So sa game na ito ay binubuo ng dalawang grupo at bawat grupo ay magpapaunahan kung sino nga ba ang unang makakatapos na ilagay ang straw na nakaipit sa nguso, between nguso at ng ilong. Kung sino man ang unang makatapos mailagay ang straw sa butas ng bote are the ones to be declared as winner. Alright, so since hindi pa naman nag-start yung game, so I would like to take this opportunity to thank our team engagement POC, that's Renz Guatlo ng Pasay City at Henry Santos ng probinsya ng Bulacan. Kita mo, Bulacan pa yan pero nandito yan. So sila po ang aking team engagement POC. Kasi sila yung talagang passionate, literally passionate sa work, passionate when it comes to engagement activity. So sila ang reason kung bakit meron kami mga pag-games, kasi sila yung mga talagang nag-effort para maisakatuparan ang aming pag-games or yung pag-games ni Mayo. No? Ano yan, Jake? Anong meron yan, Jake? So, hindi pa nag-start yung game, medyo masaya na ako, no? Kasi nakikita ko nag-e-enjoy yung team, no? So, I'm very happy. Thank you, Renz and Henry. Pero wait, mukhang may katagalan bago mag-start ang game. Medyo nalilate ang pag-game ni Mia. But anyhow, so mukhang pa-start na sila. So, online viewers, let's watch them as they played the Nguso-Nguso Challenge.
May technique,
Panalaglag balik. Yun.
Success! Ulit. Ay, Ron, maganda yan. In fairness, ha? Sige. Lugi daw pagpango. Ang galing ni Alin. Okay. Bigyan mo na ba kung paano? Hindi mo lang nabigyan na.
Alright, so yan po ang Nguso-Nguso Challenge. So the next game is Bugaw Langaw Challenge, and that's gonna be on my next video.